Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Tacoma SRT5 at you today. I just realized I hadn't done an update on the golf cart in a long time, so I apologize to you all. Um, I guess I'll just give you a rundown of the current status. It runs, it drives, it's great. It's not very pleasing to the eye, but that's not why we have it. Um, we'll start at the front. So let me flip the camera around. Harbor Freight winch. It's a 2,500 pound and is not much, but this is definitely under 2,500 pounds. And if you run the cable to a tree and hook this back to itself and have a snatch block on the tree, that about doubles your working capacity. It's not wired up yet, before y'all give me crap about that. These headlights, Harbor Freight, they were like $10 for the set or something like that. This is a eBay lift kit. Puts a spacer between the leaf springs and the axle. That was like $100 for that, for the whole, a lift for the whole cart. Was about $100. If I decided to do it again, I would just get the spacers for the rear and get the drop axle for the front that drops off on either side, just because I am the way I am and I don't like the way that looks. These tires I got from Walmart. They were about $40 a piece. They're real low pressure, like 5 psi, and I think they're 21 or 22. Let's see here. It's real dark in my shop, garage, whatever. They are 22 by 11 by 8. So that would also probably be real fun on a mini bike. Headlights, that's my control arm for the last Grand Marquis video. The brake I didn't jack with. The gas pedal, I don't know how much into depth I went in the last video, golf cart video here. But here's what I'm going to do. Get all the stuff off, pull off the seat, and voila, light on. The choke cable is not wired in because I gotta open the seat to get it to pull start anyway. This is a 30 series drive clutch, and I don't remember what size belt this is offhand, but it's the factory driven clutch. It works just fine. The cart goes about 15-16 miles an hour. If I had to do it again, I would remove this plate. This engine plate can be removed with this bolt here, those two, and there's one there and there, and I would have made a new plate having the whole engine lower so I could have a bigger engine, a 40 series clutch. Starts and runs just fine. Harbor Freight engine. It was like $115 after tax out the door. This is a little thing I've knocked up for my little ones, so they can sit on the fender right here. They can have an arm right here and an arm there. I'm going to get some more wood, and I'm going to make a little piece to slide down. So this will be one big cubby, basically, and then I'll have a piece of plywood here, so it'll be a flatbed. This side isn't done. Other project stuff here, but there's the engine. Choke lever, gas lever, and then I have a momentary switch right there as a kill switch. So there's no on off, there's just, you're sitting there, you're done riding the cart, you hit it, it's done. That's about it. I got a trailer hitch, Harbor Freight, that was like $20. Reflective tape, Harbor Freight, and some random wood I had sitting around because this cart was free to me and this whole cover was gone. I don't know what it was made of. I just used some self-tappers and some wood. These are going to be removed to give the passengers some more room. I'm going to cut these off and smooth them out and then have a pipe running from here vertically up over here. Make it a little stronger. Maybe add some hooks on the side. You could hang yourself a fishing rod or something. But yeah, that's the update on the golf cart. Runs, drives, moves, everything. The only really inconvenient thing is that you got to move the seat, which I'd like to rebuild the seat because the wood is kind of old and rotted and, well, the corner's ripped up. But what are you going to do? I got a lot of projects and not enough time. So at some point I'll wire in these lights the same way you might wire a headlight into a mini bike, because these things don't really have alternators, but they've got power coming from somewhere. So hopefully it'll be enough to, you know, get you where you need to go if the sun's gone down. All right, that's that on the cart, and we'll get you an update next time some mods are made. Have a good night.